Hey everyone, this is Jalen with Growth Inspire. I am back with another video going to be talking about how you can be building your credit from scratch if you never own any kind of credit or you don't have any trade lines. I'll be talking about in this video some steps that you can try to definitely build your credit. If you've never built it before or you need help building it or you don't know where to start, definitely check out this video here. I'll be giving out a few pointers for you guys to try out. Definitely check this out. You know, credit can definitely be key for a lot of different things. It can help you get a good rate on your car if you're trying to buy a car. It can help you buy a house, get a business loan. It can help you get into different kinds of things out there that can help leverage either your business, getting a home, getting a car, anything like that. So you definitely want to build credit as early as you possibly can. And I'll be giving a few pointers for you guys to definitely try out that will definitely get you in the right direction. Before I get started with this video, if you're wanting to know how the FICO score is broken down, definitely check out my previous video. I will leave a link for you guys to try out and definitely check out. Don't forget to check the bottom of the description for my previous video on how you can definitely look into and learn about the FICO score and see how the FICO score is broken down. I also made a video a couple weeks ago explaining about what is the perfect structure you can have for a credit profile as well. I'll leave a link for that one as well for you guys to definitely check out. You definitely don't want to miss it. It is basically straight to the point, no gimmicks, no gatekeeping, anything. So it's definitely just straight to the point. So I will leave a link for you guys to try and check out as well. So one of the first things that you can try out to help start building credit from scratch is you can look into accounts that you can report as an installment, but it is invested into a savings account. One of my favorite ones would be Self-Lender and Credit Strong. I talk about those a lot in my videos. I really like both of those products myself. It's almost like you're having a savings account, so you're sending money into a secured account that can be later be reimbursed back into your bank account, and then every single month that you make a payment, it will build a installment history and then it will be reported to all three of the credit bureaus. So that's definitely something that I would recommend people to look into and try out, as it is a good option right now that can help you build credit and have it secured. Another option you can definitely try out is looking into having secured credit cards. The best thing about secured credit cards is you can put money down and then that could be equivalent to your credit limit as well. If you have a credit card with a credit limit of $200, you can put down $200 down and you can use that as your credit limit. Now, a lot of times with those is you may not need a secured credit card or put money down, or they may eventually send that money back into your bank account as well if you're showing good payment history, being responsible with the card and everything else. Definitely something that I would recommend people to look into. Definitely something that will get you in the right direction. Another option you can try is finding out some of the popular banks in the area and applying for a line of credit, but you can try to get pre-approved before you actually apply for the credit card. The best thing about trying to get pre-approved for the credit card is that instead of leaving inquiries on your credit report, you don't have to really worry about that being a deal, as you can practically just try to get pre-approved. That way, if you're not approved, it won't be a hard hit to your credit profile. So getting pre-approved is almost like a kind of an indicator to see if they can push through the application without actually running it. So they'll try to gather some information about you, like your income, your social, where you work at, and everything else. They'll try to verify that is really you, and then they'll do what's called a soft credit pull to see how your credit report looks. If you don't get approved for that, they won't initiate or move forward with the process. And then the best thing about that, it won't leave a hard inquiry on your credit report. One of the last tips that I wanted to tell you guys about is try to see if you can find someone that's trustworthy who can add you as the authorized user. The best thing about being added as the authorized user, if you can find someone that is responsible and have a responsible line of credit, if they add you as the authorized user, their payment histories and their balance and everything else, everything about that trade line can be added to your credit profile. That being said, if they have a credit card that's been open for over 10 years and then they add you as an authorized user, you can use that 10 years and it can be leveraged to your credit report as well. And then that can help you get into other opportunities as well. Those are my tips that I wanted to give people and tell them about to see if they needing help to build credit from scratch. If you have any questions, you can definitely reach out, or you can leave a question in the comments. I'll definitely reply as soon as I see it. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and comment your thoughts about it and tell me what you think about this video. I appreciate you guys who's been tuning in and watching these videos. Hope you guys have a good day. See ya.